Hello, friends. A very good evening to all of you. I know that everyone is going through a crisis which was not expected, the pandemic which was not expected. Suddenly in 2020 March, something very big exploded, not only in India but globally. And it really took the toll, and it's still taking the toll. It's taking the toll on everyone, specifically frontline workers, frontline warriors, including nurses, doctors, police force, task force. Everyone is working day in and day out to overcome this. We never even thought in month of November, December 2019, me too got retired and had a lovely time and was planning to go on a world tour. But suddenly, don't know suddenly from where this virus attacked us, an unknown enemy, and everything shattered, everything shut down. Everybody became very calm and quiet because it was not only in India but even the powerful countries like America, UK, Canada, and everyone faced this particular pandemic or crisis of COVID 19, which is still continuing in 2021. It's been 1.5 years and we are locked down, and it's really taking toll on our mental health. During this pandemic, dear, everyone is under certain pressure. The mental health matters. I just would like to discuss few points regarding mental health, because I, being a psychology teacher, I really understand that how much important is mental health. Physical health do matter because this pandemic is affecting our physical health, but more than that, our psychology is affected, our mental health is affected. And in this time of crisis, there comes your emotional quotient. It's very normal to be anxious, very normal to be frustrated, very normal to be depressed. But there is way out. We have to strengthen up our emotional quotient. Our emotional intelligence now will come into help. Emotional intelligence is nothing but just coping with the situation, accepting the fact as it is. Because our depressions, our anxiety, our overreactions, our over irritations will not solve it. We ourselves will have to look after our mental health, because after all, you matters. So emotional health is nothing but dealing with such situation very quietly, because time is a healer. This phase too shall pass, and for that you will have to see that how your emotional health is maintained, how it is been kept appropriate. And for that, love yourself emotionally. Thank God that we are into this era of technology, because this pandemic has made everyone techno savvy. Everything is online. Even meeting relatives online, learning is online, buying things online, paying things online, banking is online. Thank God we do have this Android phone. Blessing or disguise? How you use? depends on you, destructively or constructively. But definitely, in the time of crisis, when your mental health matters, and when you go through anxiety or depression or frustration, please see to it that calm down yourself. Diversion is the biggest therapy. Divert your mind. Develop certain hobbies. Be creative. Let your potentials flow. All these years, you mustn't have known that you have certain potentials like painting, drawing, music, singing, learning certain instrument, and also very important, get connected to all your friends. Just give a call and they are there. Talk to them. Unmuting yourself, ventilating your feelings out, very important, because all are bottled up. Everybody's scared, frightened. There's a fear of death, because after death, what? No? So, everyone loves self. Everybody wants to live life for themselves, for their family, their friends, their children, for everyone. So, my humble advice will be that love yourself immensely, whatever may be the situation. Pamper yourself. This is the time to pamper yourself, strengthen yourself, because there is hope to cope. There is always a light at the end of the tunnel, and the tunnel is very close to us. So, friends, do have social connections. Talk to your relatives, talk to your family members, talk to your friends, be connected. Thank God we have WhatsApp, we have video calls, we have Instagrams, so that we can interact with other without being socially connected, without being physically connected. Rather, socially we are getting connected through this media. This media has come to our help. I'm really thankful to this media. Even me too, getting connected with all of my friends. Every day receiving few calls and talking to them. And if they have their problems, they ventilate to me. If I have some problems, I ventilate out. Unmute. Just underline this word. Whenever you feel exhausted, whenever you feel anxious, nervous, depressed, because the outside environment is definitely affect you. There's a body mind relationship. If something is going wrong in the body, it affects your mind. If something is going wrong in your mind, then it affects your body. They are closely knit, and that is why we have to keep the balance between both. And for that, unmuting is very important. Just don't keep quiet. Everybody in the world is suffering, not only you alone. Everybody is suffering. So please do take care of yourself. Please be expressive. Please express your feelings. Please ventilate your feelings. Please engage yourself in certain activity which will not hamper your day-to-day routine. Make the life discipline. Even if you are at home and you are not going out to work, make the life discipline. Getting up at particular time, eating good food, exercising, then spending some time with family within the home, then talking to someone, getting the call from abroad, then reading some good books, so that that reading will empower your knowledge, your intelligence. This is the time to explore your own self, explore your own potentials. You have lot of potentials. Never, do not underestimate yourself. Take care of yourself. It is you who will take care of yourself, and everything will be all right. At the end, everything will be all right. All is well if I am well. And if I am well, my family is well, my friends are well, my surrounding is good. That happiness factor is very important. Once you decide to be happy, then whole universe favors you to be happy. So please do not forget to be happy. Take care of yourself. Love yourself immensely. Bring out your potentials, and very humble request that increase your emotional quotient. Your emotional quotient, your emotional intelligence in this time of crisis will really help you to empower, to overcome this particular situation, because this phase is going to pass. We are into a closure of it. I do feel, I do believe, because I do believe in power of spoken words. What you speak happens. And that is why, dear friends, don't get disheartened. Just don't worry about everything. Everything will fall in its place. ऊपर वाला सब जानता है. जिंदगी इसी का नाम है, जीना इसी का नाम है. ऐसे दौर आते रहेंगे, जाते रहेंगे. हमें तो बस चलना है, खुशी से सफ़र काटना है, गुजारना है, अच्छाई देना है, अच्छाई लेना है, दूसरों का भला करना है. In this pandemic, I learned that being kind is so important. Providing social services so important. Just helping your maid, your taxi driver, your rickshaw driver, or anyone around you who are really in need of some help. A little bit of your help made big difference in their life, and then that gives you happiness. So this is how you can maintain your emotional quotient. So keep smiling, keep laughing, keep enjoying, be happy. This is Meena signing off. Take care, be safe, mask on, move on. Love you all. Thank you for listening to me.